Getting a bounce off that 89 on the NQ. It's too close to the open, but
Ooh.
coming down. 26. All right, now it's waking up a little bit.
Somebody's saying something, I guess. All right.
Here we go. Showtime.
Micros.
Mike,
Assuming you addressed Michael's comment on micros.
I did, yeah.
All right. Okay, guys. What do you want to talk about? We're doing orientation again this week. I'm excited
Yep.
about doing that for you guys.
Tomorrow, Thursday and
Wednesday through
Friday.
Friday. Oof,
All right, here we go. There's that bounce right off that.
oh, seeing my clock.
Oh, yeah. Good. Thank you for that. Let me do that. There we go. Synced. Sync another one.
Think I do. There we go. All right. Still kind of afraid to touch stuff.
I'm going to let it air out a little bit, I think.
Just for a minute or two longer, I think, guys.
Yeah.
Trying to figure out. So we had the push up, push down overnight. Pretty much all across the board. So somebody took profits, I guess. Put us right back in the range we were in yesterday. Or sorry, yeah. We still got some good trades out of it. So again, today's one of those follow rules days. Stick with the trend, momentum, stochastics. Probably gonna be okay. Um, I would think that today would be a W type of day or a double bottom, double top type of day. But you also got these talks, so you probably can get a lot of reversals that come out of nowhere.
I kind of like the.
So the point that I'm trying to make is today's game plan should be what? Take very few trades with a lot of what? Take very few trades with lots of what, guys? Lots of bourbon, Kevin.
lots of
Confluence, Dave. Thank you. Very few trades with lots of confluence today, like the one just happened on um, the NQ from the zone. Make sure it's from the zone. Make sure it's from oversold stochastics. Make sure you're going in the direction of 89. Make sure that double check everything. Make sure price stays above the 5 period moving average on the 15-minute chart. Like double check everything today. Constantly double check
shoot.
everything.
Anybody take that bounce right there off my
W.
Anybody? I put the breakout bar there.
And again, for you guys that are newer, there's the long, like again, I gave you the W on the ES just then. But
Yeah.
those of you that are newer, you should be waiting a few minutes. You shouldn't be trading the open. If you're struggling to be profitable, you should not be trading the open. You should be waiting a couple minutes.
That was perfect.
It was. I mean, it was
Yes,
perfect.
It was perfect. Anybody take that? I put it up there. I put the bar up there.
And I called it too,
Yeah.
out loud. On both the ES and the NQ, guys. Anybody grab it? Kevin.
All right. Well, I missed that now. You
Thank
got
you,
it,
Justin,
Westy.
for
Good job,
replying.
Westy. Yeah, I turned my head for 2 seconds and didn't turn it on. I did. I put everything up there and didn't turn the global on. Duh. We're
Just
sitting
gonna
in the
give it a
range
little
here.
bit longer, guys.
I'll try it again. I think it's going to work again. I think we have another shot at it. If it comes down here. It may not. See, this time, though, the stochastics was in a better position last time. Nice, Michael. Good job. Yeah, I don't like the stochastic this go around. Maybe we'll let it come back through. Yeah, that's why I didn't like it. Yeah, can't do it.
Oh. Guess who's here?
Uh-oh. All right, let me look.
She may need to go outside, though. She hasn't been out yet. She's been lazy lately, just laying on the couch until right about now. Snoring in the afternoons.
She's chilling. Yeah, I gotta wait now.
It's probably gonna work.
That first one was the perfect one. This now it's just too up in the air for me. Too much indecision around this area here. It might work, but it's higher risk. So
I would go through well too many times on that one.
Yeah, the first one was the perfect setup. I just didn't turn the freaking global on. I put it all up there.
Oh, hi, no, really?
See you, buddy. Yeah, I set it all up, put my breakout bar and everything, and I didn't turn the freaking global on.
All right, Dorian, great job. See you tomorrow. Have a great one.
There you go. That one would have worked. It just
you got a W on the ES forming. Right, you know what? Maybe.
Yeah.
What time is it? 9:36.
And a hook of stochastics out. Yeah, that's.
Let me try that.
I want to see that HMA hook a little bit, but it is different
here. I'm still sitting on. I'm gonna sit my hands, guys. Never mind. I don't care if it works or not. I just don't. Something in my gut says that I don't need to trade right now, and I'm not gonna do it. You're going on your gut feeling? Well,
I did take it.
There's a lot to do with this, guys. Look, markets got pushed overnight, up, down, and right back to where we started yesterday. Is that a coincidence? No. Why did that happen? I don't know. But when things like that, it's very, very, very conspicuous. Targets off. If you did do the long, did anybody do it? I called the long. Just because I don't do it doesn't mean you guys don't have to do it. Anybody do it? Targets off. Get the scratch in your pockets. Yep, good job, PBR. All right, D nice. Good job, guys. Good job, Michael. All right. All right, guys. People making money this morning. I like to see that. Just put your stops in a guaranteed win. If you're in a prop account, probably won't buy because somebody says something in these trade talks that then I'm gonna jump in long. I'm gonna go ahead and get ready for like a, let's see, 28 tick space on my ES. I'm gonna get that ready for long. I'm gonna get the queue ready for scalp long as well. I'm not gonna touch gold right now, but I might get. I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Scalp on both the CL and Q, and then if it explodes to the upside, I'm gonna press a long button so fast it'll make your head spin. If it doesn't, I'm gonna keep sitting on my hands. I mean, we also could end up with, just because it went back to the range from yesterday, we could end up with just a rangy day. Rangy day.
Yeah, it's
I mean,
looking that
look
way.
at it, guys. Think about it. What is today's starting as? Not really an inside day, but somebody pushed it back down. So above yesterday's levels, I'm a buyer. And 2 more ticks higher, I might be a buyer there too. Stay long, guys. Now your stop is at 2025 right now. You guys still in? Now we have higher highs, Isaac. That's I mean, that's just a function. I'm just messing with you. I'm just messing with you, buddy. I don't like this market, people. I'm telling you. I don't. If somebody can tell me clear direction in this market right now, tell me how you know, and we'll add it to our process. It says up slightly, but the markets aren't really doing that. John, thank you.
Going to the
I
right.
love it. Where's Dan F smart butt comments when you need it? Nearing yesterday's high. Yeah. Yep. Well, if any of them breaks those highs, the rest of the indexes should follow. I like that the first touch rules on the ES are being respected. That I do like. Obviously, gold first touch rules are gold. Give them another bar too. Maybe you get a little pullback on the you get a long signal.
Yeah, that's what I
don't
was just about to say. That
I don't think that's going to happen there. Not right now. I mean, at some point today it's going to happen. But it looks like they're setting up for a bull flag here. That's what it looks like. I could be wrong. I've been known to be wrong. I think once.
one time.
I think. Why is the 200 trending down on? Oh crap! Huh?
Why is the
This is odd, isn't it, Justin? You remember I was wrong about being wrong?
Same on my chart.
Again,
Yeah,
those
same
of
on
you
my
that are
chart.
new, Darren, everybody, good morning. Welcome. Thank you, Michael. I would probably look at today as a credible day.
Still have a
Joel, welcome. Juan, welcome.
welcome,
Darren's been
welcome
here, but still
everybody.
welcome all you guys that are new, plus all the current great members that
Desire
we have.
child, God's child, like that. Welcome. Yeah, come on, do something
all the new
here.
people show up for the day that there's nothing happening in the market.
Yeah, it's just that's the way it plays out, right? That's the way it works. Pulling this thing back down, aren't they?
Okay. This would be the one area for both NQ and ES that if you get a long signal, you might want to take a shot on it. I'm still going to sit on the sidelines for a little bit longer. It doesn't mean you have to. If you got the capital and the kahunas, take off with it.
Capitals and the kahunas. The double
I'm
C's.
just being a pansy today. Thank you, Michael, for welcoming people. All right, you guys.
Yeah, this thing's gonna go down, I think.
If I get a clean little W with a rejection wick, I'll take a shot on it.
See what happens.
Nope, passed me. It passed me. There you guys go. Target's off. Who took the long? I called it on both NQ and ES.
I'm long. I was
You
long.
did it.
I did.
It passed me. I should have jumped in that one.
I'm long.
Justin, good job. I should have jumped in that one, guys. That's what I wanted to do. It looked good. I just wanted. When I get in my mind that I want one of these little W's, it's just stuck there, and I want it. It didn't happen the way I wanted it.
Didn't happen. Didn't play out for you.
Still a good hook in stochastics. I mean, you had a range chart buy signal. You had, I mean, like a lot of confluence on that one. Up, up on the 89. From a zone. I mean, this is one of the times I was talking about, guys. You get a lot of confluence. Take that one shot. Get your targets off, and you're done. That's your morning. You're over. Stop. Now we don't have this. There's no follow through on this long here, from both. Really across the board there, I guess, huh?
Yeah.
So if there's no follow through, I'm still going to sit on my hands. I mean, I just don't. Is anybody watching the news on these?
The Yahoos.
Atlanta Public Schools should first day of school date for 2025, 2026 year.
What? Say that again?
I don't know. I'm just looking at new
Oh,
stuff.
I was like, what?
Healthy chocolate cake. No
There
sugar,
we
no
go.
flour, no butter. Ooh, they screwed that one up without butter.
Sign me. Yeah, you got to put butter on it. Butter's healthy anyways. Butter's not bad.
Yeah, butter's good for you.
Butter gets a bad rap.
Butter's better. There's a no-no. You guys want to take a look at that? I'm afraid of what's going on with the
I want to see this NQ break down or break up towards this either the 26 or
I'd like to see the
77.
ES do the same thing, dude.
I'm just going to sit here and wait till something like that happens.
There's definitely a no-no. Oh, Gracie, you got to go. All right, see you, dear. By the
See
way,
you, Gracie.
guys, I will be in Premier Clubhouse today.
Nice.
yesterday I finally finished doing my crap. Um, so Premier people, I will be in Premier Clubhouse.
All good, I hope.
Yep,
Good.
it is.
Come on down there.
I
Give me,
mean,
do something.
obviously it's not over, Paul, but
Oh, no, I know.
it's good.
That's not what I meant.
Better than it used to be.
Thank God for that.
Yes, sir.
Look at gold hasn't even come close to that 89.
No, I don't.
Just be patient, guys. We'll get another one here
I
in a
mean,
little bit.
we always find a trade, guys.
Yeah, we'll get something here
I
in a little
mean,
bit.
also in the meantime too, we've also called like 4 really good winning trades.
Yeah, I took 2
So
longs
if
for
you guys
winter.
if you guys didn't take them, we can't press the button for you.
2 longs for winners. Who was talking about the Crable? Westy? I like that idea, actually. The Crable looks good.
Well, now I can do a Crable.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, yesterday, that long on the ES worked magically. I mean, you really have the kind of the same thing today. If it breaks above, if the ES breaks above this 24, 25 level,
Wasn't that the same as yesterday? Wasn't that the
it
same
was
level?
20, yeah, pretty much the same thing. Almost exactly the same thing. I would do that. Actually, you know what? Let's see. Break out at
24. So 24 quarter.
I'm gonna use 2450.
24.50.
Yep. We give that a shot.
Well, the 15 and yeah, right now it's a 15-minute breakout, but you could have took that 77 short. It did. I did say I wanted it to go up to the 70. It didn't quite get there, but if you'd have got in a little early, you'd have been okay. I just don't like this market. I'm gonna keep what little I have this morning. $49 to 65. That's a good move. Took it off VWAP. There's your short on the NQ. Right off the 77, like I said. Again, I just don't like the market, but it's a valid. Anybody take it? Nobody? Nobody took it. Nobody had guts to take it. Did I talk you out of it? Still working with the NQ. Okay. Well, I did say I wanted it to break up to the 77 or down to the 26. So, again, I don't like how I got there, but it was valid. MNQ. Yeah, you could have took it off the MNQ. Now you can get that breakout. Here comes that 24 and 24.50. Yeah, I'm thinking the same thing, Justin, but I figured it would probably react at the 77, at least a little pullback to get you your scalp, your 250 scalp, which it would have worked. I just don't like the market. I don't have to trade, so I'm going to be very picky.
Say that again. You don't have to what?
I don't have to trade. I
Oh,
do
you
not.
had to trade.
Well, I used to think I had to trade. Yes, I do not. I have a little green and I'm going to keep it. This market is not favorable to it's not to my liking. I'm not saying there aren't trade here. There are trades, and I will call them as I see them. Here comes your long.
What's that?
So here comes your long.
Yeah, I don't think.
I'm not gonna take it.
I think I'll try to get into a long here. I think. Now that we're seeing.
This comes
Higher
down and
high.
hooks.
Yeah, I'm gonna try to start getting into this as it gets down to the zone
Here's your
here.
89 on the NQ. We could. I just don't like the stochastics, but
I think I'm gonna try to get into that.
yeah, I almost got to take it too.
I'm not gonna let it go too far on me though.
Come
If
on
it
down.
doesn't go long from the zone,
Here we go. Here comes your long on the NQ. Patience.
get it.
Patience. Come on. Set up. You know you want to.
Goes.
There it is.
About to.
Boom. Come on. Here we go.
Oh, come on, go. You're just going up. Let's go.
Seriously?
The one shot I take this morning fails. It should work. It should work.
Hook. It's trying to hook. It's going to go. It's going to go.
Nice, Justin. Good job. 886 your 15-minute Crable high. What is the Crable high for the?
For
I
where?
guess that would be it. Yeah, that would be it, Kevin. I think so. Looks like it. Yeah, 893 as the high. Sorry, Kevin. I have 893 as the high.
We're at NQ.
Yeah.
NQ is, yeah, 89350, I think. Yeah, 89325. Come
See if
on.
this gives a little
If
hook
this
up
doesn't,
here.
yeah, if this doesn't break here, I would probably consider. There
I
we go.
might kill it.
Yeah. I'm not going to hold this too long either.
If it doesn't hook up and start moving up here in just a minute or two, I'm going to kill it. By a minute or two, I mean the next bar or two.
There it goes. Come on, baby. Come on. You know you want to.
There's the W starting to form.
I just don't like it. I may just bail with a small little loss here.
I'm a bet with a loss too.
Yeah.
Probably going to get it here in a second from the zone, but I'd rather just take the small loss and sit on the sidelines. I don't like this market, guys. I'm not excited about anything that's happening anywhere across the board.
There it goes. Come on.
And there's not. I mean, there you go. I mean,
There you go.
Your long's gonna
I got
work
it.
from here.
Yeah, I had to hold it forever, but got me in profit at least. Took my first target off, so now if it comes back, it's no big deal. No lose
Poor me.
situation.
I'm down $100. Poor
So I
me.
either make this thing either runs or I make $60 or it runs and I make more. So whatever you want to do now, feel free to do it, Mr. NQ.
There you go.
I'm in a no lose. I
It
just sweat that
looks
a
like
little bit. I don't think it's going to go. I really don't. I mean, if
not
you're in this, like, consider getting out. Find a way to get out with a small profit.
monkey. Yeah.
If it doesn't,
Or just
come on,
hold
come
tight to
on.
your
Look at that. There
stop
we
loss.
go.
There
Woo.
you go.
Man, that was painful. That was ugly painful.
Um,
There we
let's
go.
see here. Let me just kind of look around the board real quick on the ES
Woo.
here.
I'm proud of myself. I almost killed it for a small loss, but I held it.
I really want this to stay above that 27.75 is where they got to. I gotta be honest with you. If it can't stay above 27.75, probably would look at taking the short, to be honest with you.
600-650. Why are you looking for that,
I mean,
Travis?
there
I'm
is,
curious.
what's that?
He says he's looking for a short down to 600-650. I'm curious what he's seeing that I'm not.
Rejection candles, I would imagine, Travis.
Is that what it is?
Yeah, there's no follow through. I mean, my guess would be,
From yesterday. Okay.
okay. Yeah, all right.
I mean, a failure
I mean,
here.
that might actually
Yeah, I
work.
was gonna say a failure here. You're
I
probably
even
good.
said if I get a sell signal, I'm gonna take it too. So you short right now, Travis? What, from the overbought? So you had you're waiting. You had the idea at the same time I did. There's your long working. It's just was too ugly for me to be in. Anybody in the long? Anybody at all in the long? All right, Westy. Yeah, I just I don't either. See, I'm assuming you're doing pretty good. You might want to slow it down a little bit after this one, huh? What do you think, Westy? Man, my allergies are going absolutely haywire. Um, well, I mean, you got like a good idea would be like maybe from uh around 827. Um, 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 also,
Welcome to Liberty Trading Club, everyone. Miss Paulina here. Hopefully you've enjoyed our live stream this morning. If you're interested in joining us live in the trade room for trade calls, just use the link in the description below to start a free trial. Please like, subscribe, and share.